Welcome! In this tutorial, we will show you how to generate Google OAuth 2.0 credentials for your web application. To get started, log into the Google Cloud Console dashboard and click on Create Project. Enter your project name in the Project Name field and click Create. Once your project is created, click Select Project from the Notifications panel to switch to your new project. From the left navigation menu, go to APIs and Services and select Library. Scroll down to the Social section, select Google+ API, and click Enable. Once enabled, return to the library. Locate Google+ Domains API and click Enable as well. Next, navigate to the Credentials tab from the left menu and click Configure Consent Screen. On the OAuth Overview page, click Get Started to begin configuring your consent screen. Under App Information, enter your application name and select your user support email, then click Next. Select External under Audience, click Next, and provide your contact email address. Check the agreement box to accept the Google API Services User Data Policy. Click Continue, and then click Create to complete your consent screen configuration. Now click on Create OAuth Client to set up your client credentials. Select Web Application from the Application Type dropdown and enter your application name. Under Authorized JavaScript Origins, click Add URI and enter your website, origin URL. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, click Add URI and enter your website redirect URL, then click Create. Your OAuth client is now created. You can download the client JSON file for your records and click OK. Finally, click the Edit icon next to your created client to open its configuration details. From the Additional Information panel, copy your client ID and client secret and paste them directly into your plugin settings page to complete your setup. Thank you for watching.